What's up world, I'm Nazim Sleegy and today I'm unboxing a mystery box that a really good friend of mine made for me. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm a passionate sneaker guy and maybe consider smashing that subscribe button, smash that like button, and if you don't like this video, smash the dislike button. I don't care. Anyway, I'm gonna get right into the box. Sometimes I talk too much and I realize that, so I'm just gonna open this box up right away and see what kind of goodies we got. I told my friend if I like what I see in here, I might buy something off of you, so I don't really know what to price the box at right now. I will price the box in the title after I open the box. Let's start with this one right here. And first pair is a Jordan 9 11.5, and it's black and citrus 23 on the back, Jumpman, Air Jordan on the tongue, Jumpman on the bottom. I just sold a pair of these. They were the photo blue colorway, but this is a clean, looks like a DS. I don't even think he's worn these, so it's a nice pair of sneakers right here. Jordan 9. I got two mystery boxes, so I'm gonna just try and knock these out. I don't want to make this video too long. So this one came with a note, and it says, the women's Air Jordan. In 1998, Jordan Brand took inspiration from not only the greatest basketball player in the world, but also the undeniable skill, style, and spirit of the Jumpman women's community to create its first women's Air Jordan silhouette. Inspired by a community that was ready to claim its professional spot on the court, the silhouette was designed for the women who are owning and growing the game across the world. From the dimpled leather of the Air Jordan 13 to the herringbone traction, the shoe was designed to do what MJ did, to fly. 2 decades later, the women's Air Jordan returns to inspire a new generation of women to claim their spot and own the game. So it's similar to the Air Jordan 13 with the dimpled leather here on the side. It's got some swirly mesh going on here, a decent feeling leather, Jumpman on the tongue, Jumpman on the back with the W, looks like on the back for women's. That's a nice touch right there. I like that. Jordan on the bottom, Jumpman on the midsole. So clean pair of women's sneakers, brand new as well. This is a very cool shoe. I think they've been pumping a lot of these women's shoes out, like in all sorts of colors. This one's falling out of the box. We got a Jordan 12 low in a size 12. Jordan 12 in a size 12. Makes sense. Get rid of this box. And what is this? This might be, I don't think this is the playoffs, but this is, it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever on the tag here. Jumpman on the tongue, 2-3 on the tongue going down. Nice bottom with the carbon fiber midfoot shank there, 23 right here, Jumpman on the toe. These are also brand new. Another really nice shoe, Jordan 12 low. And let's see what else we got in here. We got a Jordan 1 low, and this is still sitting on Nike if I'm not mistaken. Size 11.5 in women's. 11.5 in women's is a size 10, so this would fit me. Looks like a multicolored snakeskin. It's got Jumpman on the tongue with the Air and Wings logo on the back. Right there, that looks nice. Gold swoosh. And these are pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. I could definitely see myself rocking these. We'll see. I might make an offer for them. We got a Kobe box. I love seeing Kobe's, I really do. Even if it's a budget model, which this is supposed to be a budget model, but who knows what the price is on them right now. Swoosh, this kind of reminds me of the Greek Freak a little bit with the swoosh right here, but the Greek Freak swoosh goes backwards. Kobe sign logo on the bottom here, Kobe logo on the tongue, another Nike swoosh on the side here. These are, I think it's the Mamba Focus. Yeah, Mamba Focus. So, nice pair of Kobe's right there. And on to the next. We got a Jordan 4, I think. Jordan 4, yep. This is the Jordan 4 Winter. Jordan 4 winter. They made these for, obviously, for winter. It's a thicker lining inside. And what size was this? I'll throw all the information on the screen. This is a size 12, so looks like he wore these ones a little bit, but they're still pretty clean. I'll set them over here. And let's see here. We got a, I know this box is a Jordan 11 maybe. Yep. I got the same box sitting back there, and I have a personal pair too. So another Bred 11 right here. Patent leather mesh upper. Jumpman on the heel here. And I think this was a size, what, 12 I think? Yeah. And carbon fiber on the bottom, herringbone traction. I love the Breds. I definitely wear mine often. So there's that. Let's move on to the second box. Alright, finally got this thing open. Sometimes these are so difficult. The tape is gives me difficulties. Alright, this one is a, oh dang. Dang, so I got the red cements behind me, the black cements. These are the white cements. And I'm not gonna lie, I've always wanted these. I've always wanted these shoes. These are so beautiful, you guys. The Nike Air on the back, super nice. The Jumpman with the flight on the tongue. The speckled little hints all over the shoe. Just super nice pair of some white cement size 12 with the Jumpman tag hanging on the side here. Super clean, you guys. Super clean. I really like those. Unfortunately, they're not my size. And let's see here. Next shoe is a Jordan 6 Low. This is like the infrareds. I've never seen a low infrared before. I didn't even know they existed. But lace lock on the bottom here, like by the toe box. I've never seen the lace lock down here. I've always seen them on the top. But Jumpman on the front here, Jumpman on the bottom, and Jumpman on the back as well. These are brand new as well. Just about all of these are brand new. The white cements were brand new too. Those are super nice as well. This looks like another 11 box, Jordan 11, but it's not. Similar box, different shoe. These are brand new as well. These are the Jordan 12. Jordan 12, 11 and a half, wolf gray, university, blue, white, midnight, whatever. Jumpman on the tongue, 2-3 going down. Jumpman on the side here in letters. Also on the back it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever, 23 on the back. Jumpman on the toe. These are really clean as well. Very clean. I'm liking what I see. I like all these shoes so far. Mainly the white cements, but they're all really nice. This box right here has got the Jumpman Jordan's face on it. And I really like this box. We got another Jordan 12. This one's a low again. Size 12 in kind of like a navy and white, similar to the other pair. Same message on the back, 23 on the back, Jumpman right here on the toe, Jumpman on the tongue. These are nice as well. I'm not a huge fan of the 12 lows, but depends on the colorway. Let's see what we got here. Another pair of J's, and holy crap. Dang. Jordan 5. Is this the metallics? Yeah, black fire red metallic. Wow. These things are going for some money, I'm sure. Reflective tongue, Jumpman on the tongue. Nike Air on the back is beautiful. Icy bottoms with the Jumpman as well. Goodness gracious. Lace locks, metallics. Jordan 5 metallics, size 11 and a half. Wow. It's got like a suede, or I think it's a suede upper, maybe not a suede, but it's super nice. These things are fire. So far, the white cements and these are definitely my favorite, and they both have the Nike Air on the back, which makes it even better. We got one more shoe, guys. One more shoe. Let's see what we got. And it is a Jordan 7? Jordan 7, yeah. White metallic silver. So these are brand new as well. Size 12. Jumpman on the heel back here. Jordan on the tongue. And Jumpman on the side as well. Anything on the back? Yeah, 23. So white and gray. I like these very I just like a white sneaker, and then the gray tones are really nice on it as well. These are really clean as well, you guys. But this one's kind of cool. It's got like a liner, so your foot's nice and snug inside. But that's the last shoe, guys, in the second box. Let me know what you liked in the comments. Hit that like button if you like this video. I don't know. You guys stay safe. I appreciate you guys watching once again, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. I got a banger shoe that I ordered off of eBay. Hopefully it's not a fake, but a fake. eBay's got money back guarantee, so I'm giving it a try, and hopefully that'll be in next week, and be ready for that, guys, because I'm really excited to unbox that for you guys. So thanks for rocking with me. You guys take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.